Hello everybody! Welcome again to a new do-it-yourself at home nail art! Hello everybody! I hope you are ready for Shemodern foil video number 3. And this time it really is number 3, okay? Okay, so I think I have everything ready from my products that I gotta use. Of course, one nail. We can do nothing without a nail. Some stamping polish. I'm not gonna do the watercolors today. We're gonna use the sticky stamping polish to color in the complete nail. The nail that I want to try to make is a mozaïek nail. That's how it calls. But we're gonna do it in 3D. We're gonna try doing it in 3D, okay? So I also need my sticky black stamping polish for the lines, and I'm gonna use the plain gold foil from the beautiful Shemodern package, and I'm gonna use this stamping plate in the middle, this one with all the squiggly square lines. You see that? This is the one that we're gonna use. So all the lines are gonna be gold foils, and then the colors from the stamping polish I'm gonna put in all the little square bits. I hope you understand what I'm trying to see. If you don't understand, you will see it in just a little second. Okay. The sticky black stamping polish from Shemodern is also ready. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is picking up this image. I know I'm in this video I'm not gonna speed up that much, just because a simple reason, I don't feel it to edit a lot on this video. So I was thinking by myself, ooh, Sassy, if we can talk while I am filming this, that's gonna be ideal. Perfect. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna remove the parts that are not belonging to this gorgeous stamp. Also this part, we also don't want to have that. We don't want to have like a strong line. Wait, maybe if I go like this, let's try. Maybe I will have enough left. I don't know. We will see, right? So that is part number 1. Nope, I don't have enough. So let's do that a second time, shall we? We shall. I don't need a lot of polish right now because it's just like an teeny tiny bit left. So that will be plenty. Scrape in the 45 angle. Now let's see if we can try to fit it on there, like just a little bit, like that. Nice. I don't need to hurry up because this stamping polish I need to dry just like a little bit, you know what I mean? Because if you're gonna go in with the foil too quick, the polish is gonna stick on the plastic from the foil, and that's not what we want, you know what I mean? Let's take the gold foil like that. I'm gonna snip off a little piece. So actually you are seeing it in real time, guys. So if you want to know exactly how long I wait before I actually push my foil on there, yeah, you can always look at the timestamp, you know what I mean? So let's test touch. I think that's ready to go. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna lay down my foil like that. Once it's touching the nail, don't move it anymore, okay? The trick for the nice result is just pushing the foil on the nail, hold it a little bit so the heat can work in your favor, you know what I mean? So just pushing it, holding it, go down on the nail, so we are sure that the nail is going to be completely covered. Don't forget to push the sides. We also need the sides to be covered. By the way, always make sure, if you want to do a design like that, that you don't forget to apply a top coat first. You know what I mean? Because if you don't apply a top coat, then you're gonna have the risk that the foil is gonna stick everywhere and not only on the polish. And that is something that we don't want to happen. You know what I mean? I hope you can see it already, but on the tip it's already starting to release a little bit. So yeah, I prefer to take my time for this stage, because the better you can do it from the first time, the better your result will be. And like you are seeing, I'm not rubbing it, I'm just pushing it down, because I don't want to smudge my stamping polish in case it's not dry enough. Okay, let's see. Ooh, that is looking beautiful. If I see some black spots that are left, just place it back and squeeze it again. See, here in this corner, I hope you can see it. It's not completely transferred, so it's a hard corner to get because it's just around the cuticle. So just go in again. And let's see. Ooh, that is perfect. Perfect. I see we missed a little bit right there, so just push it, hold it a little bit, give it the time to transfer completely. And like you see, I am pulling it off like really slowly, okay? Don't pull it off like in one quick motion, because yeah, that's how you're gonna ruin it. And I know my nail is coming out a little bit, but I'm not worried about that. It's a fake nail. Things like that are happening. I just am really focusing on how the foil is transferring on my nail. You know what I mean? That is actually the most important thing for me right now to focus on. You can always push the nail back in later. You know what I mean? I'll hold it a little bit there. Let's see. Perfect. Almost there, guys. Almost there. I'm not saying that you cannot go in on certain places, you know what I mean? But it's always better if you can transfer it like in one go. You know what I mean? That's what's gonna give you the most beautiful result. And oh my goodness, look at that. Are you freaking kidding me? Look at that. That is just gorgeous, right? So this is how it looks on the back, and you can see everything transferred really nicely. I do see like just a little bit spots that can use like a little bit more. So let's see if we still have the time. Yeah, do you see? It did came off, see? So just go in with the foil, take a fresh piece and see how it's still taking everything off. That way you can assure yourself that you're gonna have like a really nice result. Of course, if you are working like with the foils that have like a design, yeah, I do not recommend to do what I'm doing right now, to come in and stamp it on there like this, because yeah, you're gonna destroy the pattern on the foil, you know what I mean? But if you are working with a foil like this, just a clean one, then you can do that. Look at that, guys. How gorgeous is that, right? So yeah, this is step one. The next thing I'm gonna do, I wanna protect this before I'm gonna color every little square in, okay? I'm gonna use my cards, apply it on there, cure it, and then the fun part begins. Because the next part is applying some colors. That's always nice, right? Look at that. Look at that. Right. So I am back. Here is the nail all cured. Look how gorgeous. Trust me guys, you don't see the result like I can see it in real life, because this nail is wow. It's really hard to show you, but oh my gosh, it's beautiful. So these are the colors that I am going to use today. So like you can see, I'm gonna use the sticky stamping polish and also one pastel pink stamping polish, the neon. This one is not a sticky one, I believe. You cannot buy the non-sticky ones anymore, so yeah, I was one of the lucky ones that Tina have sent some of them. But yeah, these are the colors that I want to use, because I want to keep it like, you know, in the fall feeling. So let me dump out the colors on my mixing canvas, and then we're gonna start coloring in. So I'm loading up a really thin brush. And now let's start and see. So I want to be careful so I'm not covering the outlines, because we want to keep the foil look like that. Wow, that looks amazing. Look at that. I hope you can see it. So yeah, I just gonna choose randomly some of my shapes and color them in a yellow, so we can go to the next color. Just be careful guys, if you want to recreate this look, just keep in mind that you don't cover the gold foil, okay? So yeah, this is gonna take quite some time, but like I think it's a really great look, you know, to do on yourself when you are a little bit stressed out or something, you know what I mean? Just have like a little bit of fun, you know what I mean? Okay, I think I'm gonna keep it with this for now with the yellow. So this is the sticky lime. And there we go again with the sticky lime. I'm probably gonna speed up this part and just gonna provide you guys with a little bit of music, okay? Did you already subscribe to my channel? Don't forget to do it if you like the video, and also don't forget to bump the little thumbs up, okay?